Hello guys and welcome to Tech Chicks tutorial. Today, I will show you how to add a follow button on Facebook profile 2024. First, open the Facebook app on your iPhone and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, tap on the three horizontal lines at the bottom right to open the menu. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy, then tap on Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down to Audience and Visibility and tap on How People Find and Contact You. Look for Who Can Send You Friend Requests and set it to Friends of Friends. Now go back to the Settings menu and tap on Posts. In the Posts section, find Who Can See Your Future Posts and change it to Public. And that's it! You've successfully added a follow button to your Facebook profile on your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.